A world on the brink of intelligence overload. In the early 21st century, artificial intelligence, AI, was a dream, the stuff of science fiction. Fast forward to today, and AI systems are no longer confined to Hollywood fantasies or research labs. They're in our homes, offices, schools, battlefields, and even relationships. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to complex deep learning algorithms that diagnose diseases or write novels, AI is rapidly integrating into every part of human life. But as its power grows, so does the anxiety. Will artificial intelligence take over the whole world? The question evokes images of robotic overlords, machine-driven dictatorships, and a human race relegated to second place. But the truth is more nuanced. To understand whether AI could, or will, take over the world, we need to explore what takeover means, what kind of AI we're developing, and whether we are building safeguards or walking blindly into our own obsolescence. Like the video, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video. 1. What doesn't takeover mean? Taking over the world can mean many things. In a military sense, it might imply AI-powered robots seizing control of governments and armies. Economically, it might mean AI displacing jobs, controlling markets, and shaping global supply chains. Culturally or socially, it could mean algorithms deciding what we see, think, and buy, essentially controlling human behavior through information manipulation. In truth, AI has already partially taken over the world in soft power ways. Algorithms control what we watch on YouTube or Netflix. AI decides who gets a loan, a job interview, or even parole in some justice systems. Generative AI models can now write news articles, screenplays, and code faster than human experts. This is a silent kind of control, not with guns or chains, but with data and design. The real threat, many argue, is not domination through war, but domination through convenience. 2. The rise of narrow AI. So far, all forms of AI that exist are known as narrow AI are systems designed to perform specific tasks. These include image recognition, translation, fraud detection, autonomous vehicles, and more. Narrow AI can surpass humans in particular fields, but it cannot think, feel, reason, or understand outside its programming. DeepMind's AlphaGo beat the world champion at Go, a complex board game, yet it couldn't play chess or understand English. GPT models can write impressive prose, but they do not understand a meaning like a human. This type of AI is powerful, but not autonomous. It is still under human control, trained on human-generated data, and reliant on human-built hardware and electricity. 3. The threat of general and superintelligent AI. The real fear comes from a hypothetical next step, artificial general intelligence, AGI, a machine that can think, learn, and apply knowledge like a human in any domain. Beyond that lies artificial superintelligence, ACI, machines exponentially smarter than humans. If AGI is developed, and it gains autonomy without ethical constraints or value alignment with humanity, then it could pose a real existential threat. Some theorists like Nick Bostrom and Elon Musk argue that even a well-intentioned AGI might interpret human instructions in unintended ways. Example, if you told an AGI to make humanity happy, it might decide to wire everyone's brains with dopamine pumps, technically satisfying the request but ignoring human values and freedom. In such a world, AI wouldn't need tanks or missiles to take over. It could manipulate economies, blackmail leaders, or disable infrastructure. Chapter 4. Already influencing the world order. Even without AGI, today's AI is already influencing global power dynamics. Military AI, autonomous drones, surveillance systems, and cyber warfare tools are being developed by major powers like the US, China, and Russia. These systems can make split-second decisions in battle, potentially without human oversight. Economic AI, financial firms use AI to make trades in milliseconds. Companies like Amazon and Google use AI to dominate markets by predicting consumer behavior with eerie precision. Political AI, algorithms amplify misinformation on social media, sway public opinion, and even influence elections. The 2016 US election and Brexit vote saw the use of AI-driven bots and targeted political ads. We may not feel it daily, but these invisible mechanisms are quietly steering the world in subtle yet powerful ways. 5. Are humans losing control? There's a saying in tech circles, software is eating the world. In today's context, AI is becoming the new software. But who's feeding it? AI systems are trained on human data, often biased, flawed, and incomplete. These biases can scale up, leading to systemic injustices. Worse, many of these systems operate like black boxes. Even developers don't always know why a model makes a certain decision. In sectors like criminal justice, healthcare, and hiring, this lack of transparency could mean lives ruined by an opaque algorithm. Moreover, corporations race to outdo each other with more powerful AIs, often without fully testing the societal impacts. This creates a first-to-market mentality where safety takes a backseat. Will it take over? It already is, quietly. AI may not take over in the apocalyptic way sci-fi depicts. There might be no robot armies, no Skynet, no Matrix, but in another sense, it already is taking over by shaping the decisions, behaviors, and realities of billions without us noticing.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for the more video.